Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. Today's video is a little different because I am literally sitting in a bed holding my camera with a hand, and my Mac setup is also not the best currently. I'm currently not home, so we will have to do with this improvised setup because there is a lot of things happening in the productivity space. So I had to make a video because there is so much I haven't covered. So today we have capacities, talking a little bit about or showing us what's next in the process and in the building of the application. So that is the first thing. The second thing is Kosmik, which now has a web clipper, which I find a little weird because it is supposed to be a browser, and a browser with a web clipper sounds at least a little interesting. Then we have some supernotes flashcard teases, and there is a voice notes update as well. So let's actually just jump right into the first one, which I forgot to mention, which is actually by design. And by design now has a dedicated all tasks view. So if you go into your tasks right here, workspaces, and you go into the timeline view right here, you have daily, weekly, someday, and now you also have all tasks. I have a lot of my YouTube videos as tasks. I probably should remove that now, but as you can see, I can check things off, I can move things around. There are a lot of things I can do here, like I can open these up, I can change the priority, the deadline, I can sort this, I can add use tags, I can add pages, so you can add or remove pages, I can filter out stuff if I ever needed to. So I can filter, so open tasks are seen, unassigned tasks, reoccurring tasks. So quite a few things. I really like this new all tasks view. This has been the thing that people have been waiting for the longest, and has been like the most, I wouldn't say necessarily interesting, but the thing that people have wanted the most. And I like how they have done this. It is a simple all tasks view, but for an application that wants to mainly be your task manager, it is an all-in-one application, but it's like the task management aspect of this that is the most important and the best part of the application. The note taking comes like after the fact. It is first and foremost, uh, I would say, a daily planner task management application. So I really like this update, and I think this brings by design closer to becoming a really good option as an all-in-one productivity tool. Next up, we have Cosmic, which released their web clipper, and I wanted to talk about this a little because this is just how it looks. You can save images to Cosmic either through and open them either through the web app or the application itself, so you can save it. And if you see here, there is something called the clipper library, and here you can see the things you've clipped and drag them onto your whiteboard. I have a few questions here because the biggest thing is that this feels like it is turning Cosmic more into a visual note taking app rather than just being a browser. Because I've seen a lot of YouTube videos about it, and a lot of people just call it a browser. But I feel like with this update, it feels much more like a note taking app, a visual note taking app like Heptabase, like Scrintl. There are quite a few of them out there, but it feels like this turns it more into a visual note-taking app instead of a browser, which it was supposed to be. So I am actually a little curious about this. I would like it if it was a visual note-taking app because I think it is a really cool note-taking app. But I'm not sure what it tries to be. On their X, they have a more in-depth demo on how to use this, so you can check that out if you are a a Cosmic user. Um, but really interesting update here, and I'm excited to see what this means for Cosmic. Next up, we have capacities, and I will be quick with this one because this is just a blog post about what is next on the roadmap. So they have improved a lot of things, but there are quite a few things that still needs to be improved. The most important is like object views query improvements. Variable queries, group by and label property. There is more planned here as well. The second one, which I'm really excited about, is the readwise integration. This has been something people have been waiting for a long time. They have shared a proposal in the Discord channel, and that said something about like not automatically moving everything into capacities from readwise, but you had to specifically tag things for them to move into capacities. I think that is an interesting take on readwise. I actually like it, but we will just have to wait and see what they end up with. I am currently a readwise user myself, so I am also a really big fan of integrating things. So this is something I'm really interested in. Better capacities AI integration. So AI is really important in object-based note taking because a lot of people think that that is the future for note taking with AI object and object-based note taking applications. So improving the AI is probably important, but like what AI is going to be, where we will have AI and all of those things is yet to be seen. But I like the fact that they are trying to improve it anyways. CSV Markdown and file import, also better search. Long term, it is task management, media types 2.0. This has been something they've been working on, or at least having on their roadmap for a long time, but they keep on having to postpone it because there are more important things. So, task management, media types, and deeper AI integrations. That is the long term things. So, that says a few things about what is next for capacities. And the last thing I just quickly wanted to show you was this flashcards from the new supernotes. I'm so excited for this, as it says right here. But this is a part of the new supernotes release, which I am really excited about, and I have been really excited about for a while now, and I can't wait to cover it once it is out. But I really like flashcards. I feel like flashcards has been the thing that Supernotes has been lacking as a note-taking app for students. So really interested in this, and I think it is a really interesting and fun update that I am excited about, and I can't wait to get and cover. But I think that covers today's YouTube video. The next one I will probably be back in my regular place for like filming videos. So I think that covers it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching today's video.